Friends, please put your hands together for Gabriel Kahan. His talent transcends genres, and his melodies have the power to heal, inspire, and remind us of the beauty and depth of the human experience. We're so fortunate to have him grace the stage with this remarkable talent at the Red tonight. And that good fortune continues as we segue into this next chapter of tonight's celebration, the 2023 Culture of Caring Awards, which shine a spotlight on inspiring individuals whose work and contributions are recognized for their extraordinary achievements in building healthier, more vibrant, and engaged communities. Each year, our honorees are not just recipients of the Culture of Caring Award, but rather the torchbearers of a shared commitment to create a culture of caring that continues to shape our community at large, creating a community infused with warmth, empathy, and compassion. Through the arts, civic engagement, and health, honorees help to bring about greater understanding, awareness, and solutions to address social and health disparities. Honorees encourage, inspire, and mobilize people and resources to build healthier, more vibrant, and engaged communities for all. Our past, present, and future honorees represent the countless hours of dedication, kindness, and commitment they have each invested into the well-being of our community and those who call it home. And in honoring them tonight, we not only pay tribute to their unwavering commitment to the well-being of others, but also celebrate the countless unsung heroes within our community who day in and day out contribute to this very culture of caring in their own unique ways, representing all who believe in the power of creating a culture of caring for all Oregonians every step of the way. So, without further ado, it's my pleasure to bring back Daryl Walker to the virtual stage to introduce our first award recipient of the evening.
Representative Rob Nose is truly a progressive champion. Since elected to the House District 42, he's been part of the House Healthcare Policy Committee and has increasingly focused his commitment to behavioral health. Some of his most notable achievements include restoring the funding for certified community behavioral health clinics in Oregon, securing hundreds of millions of dollars, including a 30% rate increase in workforce funding. He has recently served on the Ways and Means Committee, where he is a subcommittee co-chair for Human Services. He also serves as vice chair of the House Behavioral Health Care Committee, steering $1 billion in federal and state funds into behavioral health bills and budgets, making it one of the largest investments in behavioral health ever in Oregon. Representative Nose's commitment for social change to improve the lives of those in the community and his dedication to behavioral health are a huge part of what whole healthcare really is about. This is why we are honored to recognize Representative Nose with this year's Culture of Caring and Housing Award.
My name is Rob Nose. I am the state representative for House District 42, which is inner Southeast Portland and a little sliver of Northeast Portland. I've been serving in the legislature since the year 2014, and I'm currently the chair of the House Behavioral Health and Healthcare Committee. I sort of fell into being an advocate for behavioral health care. I didn't plan to do this, but I think coming out of the pandemic and knowing what we know about what's going on in our community right now and where Oregon stands relative to the rest of the United States in terms of behavioral health and healthcare, this has become a real passion of mine because we've got to get better at it. I think one of the biggest differences that I hope that I'm making in this space is that I'm making sure that people that do this work are better paid. We've had ideas about payment parity in behavioral health relative to medical care for a long time now, but we haven't really lived up to that. And I've worked really hard to try to make sure that, frankly, there's more money going into the behavioral health and mental health sector, both so that we can compensate people better that are doing this work, but also so that we can make it a more attractive field for people to want to work in, so we can, frankly, have more care available for people. Certainly, passing the largest behavioral health package in 21 and 2022 in terms of funding for this sector was one of the things I am most proud of. What my voters really want to see in terms of mental health and behavioral health is that people, for the most part, aren't living on tents and in the streets, that they have a safe place to sleep at night. And if they have mental health challenges, they've got a place to live and sleep so then they can be adherent to whatever sort of treatment plan is going to get them back on track. As a legislator, I just make policy and pass budgets. I don't do the day-to-day work of trying to help our community have better mental health and better behavioral health outcomes. So for an organization like Cascadia to recognize me and say that I am helping them do the things they need to do to help people in Portland and Oregonians is actually very touching. Thank you.